What's up guys, this is Russ with Joe's Gaming and Electronics, here with another highly requested video. If you think this repair is too difficult, you can always send in this unit for repair. Today I will be showing you guys how to replace the right side top housing on a Soundsport wireless. So let's get into this. So here's the right side. The rubber has already been peeled, so there's no rubber as you can see. So what I like to do is use some heat up the edges that you will be taking apart. Don't heat it up too much or you can burn the whole housing. So what I like to do is start near the charger port. Just go underneath, pry a little bit up. Don't go too deep to reach into the board. Just work your way around, because there will be a ribbon right there, as you can see right there. You don't want to break it or anything, because then you would have to buy a new board. So when that's off, set the part aside, go around it with a flathead and just take off all the residue. Just try to make it clean as possible for the new part to lay in flush. Make sure screwdriver doesn't slip and cut the ribbon. Go ahead, get the replacement parts, which you can get on our website. Usually go ahead and put the charger port cover into here first. And I usually go measure it out first, make sure everything's flush, looks nice, looks clean, which this does. Sometimes you get like a little gap, which then you would have to go back and clean if you missed any residue. So the glue that we will be using today is B7000. It works really good, waterproof, and helps the unit for the board not to get corroded. Let's go ahead and work our way around. Don't overfill it with this stuff or you're gonna have a problem. Put the glue back away and just slip that back on there like so. Take the rubber band, probably gonna have to go 3 times around it. Just hold your finger down like this and do a couple knots. So then it holds the cover down. And that is how you replace a right top housing on a Bose Soundsport wireless. Thank you for watching.